In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your images in Midjourney. If you've ever generated a bunch of artwork and then wondered where everything lives, this walkthrough will make it simple. We're keeping it straightforward and reliable so you can get to your images fast and stay organized without any guesswork. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Midjourney website. This is the central place where your creations are collected and displayed in one easy-to-browse gallery. If you're prompted to log in, just continue with the same account you used to generate your images so everything is synced. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Organize. That's the dedicated hub for all of your personal work. Click it to open your gallery. Inside Organize, you'll find a clean grid of your images. Each thumbnail represents a piece you've generated, and the page pulls from your account so creations appear even if you made them on a different device. This view is designed to help you scan quickly, revisit older outputs, and keep track of what you've been working on. If you create a lot of variations, you'll see them grouped and arranged so it's easy to recognize sets from the same idea. As you browse, take a moment to notice the information associated with each image. You may see prompt snippets, timestamps, or other helpful details that make it easier to identify the exact version you're looking for. This is especially useful if you worked through several iterations and want to jump back to a particular style or composition. If your gallery looks sparse at first, don't worry. Sometimes newly created images take a moment to appear. It can also help to confirm you're viewing the correct account, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces. Keeping your browser up to date and using a stable internet connection will make the page load smoothly. The Organize page is also helpful for reviewing your creative process. You can quickly compare outcomes from different sessions, spot patterns in your favorite prompts, and decide what to explore next. It's a simple visual way to keep your ideas flowing without hunting through scattered files. And that's really all there is to it. Go to the Midjourney website, then open Organize to view your images in a single convenient place. With this routine in mind, you'll spend less time searching and more time creating. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your gallery.